actually looking
It's so
at
trippy. Oh, hold on. I'm just taking a video.
It's like so trippy looking at it.
Wow. Because now you can really see how large it is. What is this? Oh, deer lodge. Oh, snaps.
That's it.
Oh my god.
That's it, right? Part of it.
That's it.
Yeah, it is.
That's part of it.
I'm just gonna turn off the music so that I can
Voice over.
yeah. Okay, everyone, we're approaching Fairmont Château Lake Louise. Okay, y'all, we're approaching Fairmont.
Sorry.
Your heart fluttered.
Yeah.
Your heart fluttered.
Oh yeah, the pulse.
You got like your legs and shit.
The car is nice too.
I'll bring in the bucket.
Like, don't worry, got the bags.
They'll be like, but why? You're a Fairmont. Use my last.
Little tour of stores.
Oh my goodness.
We'll look for something. Yeah.
Oh,
Whoa.
there's someone waiting for us already. Yeah.
Just taking a quick panel. Hi guys, welcome to my crib. Let's get into it. Alright, so we got the I'll take this one. We got the 2 queen beds, and we are here. Let me just show you. We got the premium gold room. We got good deals, and I'll show you guys how to get these discounts. They're all online with a few simple tips and tricks, but it's worth it. And trust me, we're just doing one night because we really want to experience this. Okay, Ramil, you gotta show them the view. Guys, this is so worth it. Trust me.
Ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Woohoo! Y'all. Oh shit. Are you guys like, we're like floating on the water. I cannot. You guys need to get one of these rooms, split it with your family, and just enjoy the view for at least one day. But you gotta get the lake and mountain view. If you're coming up here to Fairmont and not getting the lake view, I don't know what's up. So let me just show you guys one more time.
And we got an early check-in too.
Hold on. You guys, another trick is, it seems like not too many people are going for the premium rooms, so you can do early check-in. So get the most out of your day. Try to come here like at 1. Check-in's usually at 4, but get the most out of your day. And wow, November, the lake hasn't frozen over yet, so that's kind of a good thing too, because you can like really see the beautiful sparkling waters. So excited, y'all. Okay, y'all. Okay, y'all. Look at how beautiful this is. Whoa, y'all.
What
the heck? Oh, this came with the jacuzzi one. Y'all, okay, so this room comes with the deep jacuzzi tub, and it has the toilet in another beautiful room there. And then here you have your shower, full-size shower with a rainfall shower head there. And look at this huge and beautiful sink. Hey y'all, this video is obviously not sponsored, but if you can help us get to 1,000 subbies, we can make more beautiful videos for you guys. Let's see what kind of, so just like the one in Toronto, they have the Rose 31 products here. Conditioner, shampoo, shower gel, body lotion. What else do they have? Lip balm. Ooh, I'm gonna take that. And it's just gorgeous. They have mouthwash for you there, but I'll do a full review for you in a bit. I'm just like super excited. And of course, you got your Fairmont bathrobes. Let me just do a zoom out for y'all. Like, look at this. I want this to be my house. Look at the beautiful closet. Yeah, beautiful.
Like we can just roam
Beautiful.
around the whole damn place.
So there's also another window in front of this bed. This is crazy. There's not much people here today too. Anyways, y'all, I'll show you more later. Alright guys, join me on this page right here to get all the wonderful details about the Fairmont Gold Experience package. So what's included in your package is a luxury Fairmont Gold accommodation. Of course, I recommend the one with the lake view and the mountain view. You get a private check-in and check-out with a private concierge on the 7th floor. Of course, you get a healthy deluxe continental breakfast in the Fairmont Gold Lounge, as well as snacks and evening canapes in the same room. The honor bar has wines, beers, and spirits throughout the day. Complimentary newspapers and personalized wake-up calls are available, and you get a complimentary laptop and iPad to use in the lounge with high-speed internet. And just make sure to talk to your concierge if you have any questions. You can also text them for reservations. If you need help with sightseeing tours and all that, just let them know. They'll do their very best. If you scroll down, you will see that you can join their loyalty program. Now, I really recommend you do this to get discounts on future bookings, as well as discounts at the gift shop. So let's get back to the video and hope you guys enjoyed that. Okay, so this is the canopy area, and there's a lot of food and buffet style stuff. I know, I just want to look at everything. Oh, remember online how we're like, oh, there's only one? Blueberry streusel. That's so cute. I could try everything.
Yeah. What's this?
It's like a salad or something. Little bites. There's one with shrimp. Coronation chicken. And they just replace it every time. It's so fancy.
Look at this.
Yeah. Yes. There's a bar. You got like a little coffee area here. And there, look. Oh, I didn't get four.
You can have this one.
No, it's okay, I'll get one. So this is, do you want to explain what this is?
Yeah, a couple more of those bag things.
This is the canopy. It's one of the perks for gold members.
Yeah.
For gold members. And yeah, it's really worth it so far. They're really nice. Can't wait for the
They're
food.
really nice, and it's between 5 p.m. to 7 p.m.
And it's a buffet style.
All right.
Everything is included except alcohol.
Oh yeah, you have to pay
for alcohol.
Okay.
I believe.
Okay. Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you what I got, and we got a nice view. So I got this thing here. Too fancy. That chip and dip looks amazing.
I was gonna get that. How is it? Is
You
this
can always
chili?
come back.
Olive tapenade.
Ooh.
It's good with the baguette.
And you got something like that. Got
Here,
some
try it.
chips. Dessert. Packaged cookies. There you go. And free drinks. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, hit the bell button so that you're informed when we post our part 2 of our Fairmont Gold Experience. Have a great day and stay safe.